Keeping your living spaces pristine has never been more essential, especially in our fast-paced, modern world where every second counts. Imagine having a cleaning tool that's not only powerful, but also versatile, portable, and surprisingly quiet. Enter the Pemacom Handheld Vacuum Cordless Portable 12 kPa, a game changer in the realm of home cleaning gadgets. Whether you're battling pet hair, crumbs, or the inevitable dust bunnies, this sleek, lightweight vacuum promises to revolutionize your cleaning routine. Let's dive into what makes this device a must-have for anyone seeking efficiency and ease in their cleaning arsenal. The first thing that stands out about the Pemacom Handheld Vacuum is its sleek, modern design. Weighing in at just 1/8 pounds, this vacuum is incredibly lightweight, making it easy to maneuver and use for extended periods without causing fatigue. The ergonomic handle is comfortable to hold, and the non-slip grip ensures you maintain control while cleaning. The vacuum's compact size is perfect for quick cleanups and easy storage. It comes with a clear 800 ml dust cup that allows you to see how much debris it has collected and when it needs to be emptied. The dust cup is easy to remove and clean thanks to its simple twist-off design. Equipped with a high-speed motor that spins up to 49,000 RPM and generates 12,000 Pa of suction power, the Pemacom handheld vacuum effectively picks up dust, crumbs, pet hair, and other debris. Whether you're cleaning carpets, hardwood floors, or car interiors, this vacuum delivers consistent performance. Despite its powerful suction, the vacuum operates at a low noise level. The upgraded air duct design ensures that the noise is kept to a minimum, making it comfortable to use without disturbing others in your home or office. The vacuum is powered by a 600 mAh Li-ion battery, which provides up to 16 minutes of continuous use on a full charge. While 16 minutes might not seem like a lot, it is generally sufficient for quick cleanups and spot cleaning. The vacuum charges fully in about 3 hours using a Type-C USB charging port, which is compatible with various charging options, including car USB ports, home outlets, cell phone chargers, and even power banks. The battery management system BMS monitors the charging status, temperature, and voltage to ensure a stable current output and prevent overheating, thus extending the battery's lifespan and ensuring safe operation. One of the standout features of the Pemacom handheld vacuum is its versatility. The cordless design means you're not tethered to a power outlet, allowing you to clean virtually anywhere. Whether it's your home, car, office, or RV, this vacuum is up to the task. It's particularly useful for cleaning hard-to-reach areas, like under car seats, between couch cushions, or on staircases. The vacuum comes with a range of professional accessories, including a specially designed crevice nozzle with a foldable brush head and a floor brush nozzle. These attachments make it easy to tackle various cleaning tasks without the hassle of frequently changing brush heads. The Pemacom handheld vacuum is designed with user convenience in mind. The power switch allows you to turn the vacuum on and off with a single button, so you don't need to hold the switch continuously while cleaning. The built-in LED light is another handy feature, illuminating dark corners and under furniture so you can see and clean every bit of dust and debris. This light can also serve as an emergency lighting tool if needed. The vacuum's HEPA filter is washable and reusable, blocking over 99% of fine dust particles from entering the motor. This not only protects the motor and prolongs the vacuum's life, but also ensures that the air expelled from the vacuum is cleaner. Maintenance is straightforward with the Pemacom handheld vacuum. The dust cup can be easily detached and emptied, and the HEPA filter can be washed and reused multiple times. Regular cleaning of the dust cup and filter is recommended to maintain the vacuum's performance and longevity. Pemacom offers excellent customer support, including a 2-year warranty and a 30-day money-back guarantee if you're not satisfied with the product. Their professional after-sales team is available 24/7 to address any questions or concerns you might have, ensuring you have a positive experience with their product. Conclusion: The Pemacom Handheld Vacuum Cordless Portable 12 kPa is a powerful, versatile, and user-friendly cleaning tool that excels in both performance and convenience. Its lightweight design, strong suction power, and range of accessories make it ideal for quick cleanups around the home, in the car, or at the office. While its battery life may be a limiting factor for some, the ease of use, portability, and excellent customer support make it a valuable addition to your cleaning arsenal. If you're looking for a reliable handheld vacuum that can handle a variety of cleaning tasks with ease, the Pemacom Handheld Vacuum is worth considering. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.